Alright, here are quiz 2 solutions for Math 112. First problem, we're asked to determine x in each of these equations by writing each of them in exponent form. Alright, this first one in exponent form is 2 to the x equals 16. This is the base, this is the exponent, this is what it's equal to. That's what logs give you, is it tells you what power 2 would have to be raised to equal 16. So we get 2 to the x equals 16, so what, x is 4? Looks right, 2 to the 4th power is 16. Log base x of 27 equals 3. That means 3, nope. That means x to the 3rd power is equal to 27. So what number raised up to the 3rd power is equal to, I guess you take the cubed root of both sides of the equation if you really wanted to. And you get x equals 3. Log base 10 of x equals 10. That means is 10 to the 10th power is equal to what? I guess you could say this is your answer, but I'll write it out. We want a 1 with 10 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Log base 9 of x equals 0. So what that tells you is 9 to the 0 power is equal to x. 9 to the 0 power is 1. So x is 1. And log base x of 3 equals 1/2. That means x to the 1/2 power is equal to 3. So if you had to solve for x, I suppose you could square both sides. And you'd get x is equal to 9. Log base 9 of 3 is equal to 1/2. Well, it was a little tricky. Alright, that was kind of quick. Moving on. Evaluate the following using log rules. Log rules are, we have 3 of them. The log of a product is equal to the sum of the logs of that product. The log of a quotient is equal to the difference of those logs. And the log of something raised up to an exponent is that exponent times the log of that base. Those are all the log rules we need. Those are all the log rules. So now maybe we can evaluate this mess. I think I would first use, well, I guess there's a few different ways to do this, but one way to do it is to first use this 3rd log rule. You can use it backwards, I guess. You can use this 1/2 and rewrite it as log base 2 of 36 to the 1/2 power. So log base 2 of 10 minus log base 2 of 15. The reason that's helpful is because 36 to the 1/2 power is just 6. So we get log base 2 of 6 plus log base 2 of 10 minus log base 2 of 15. And we can't evaluate any of these logs the way they're written, but we can now apply our other 2 rules. Maybe this first one, we're adding up 2 logs, so that's equal to the log of that product. 6 times 10 is 60. Kind of running out of room here, so let's jump over to here. And now I can use this 3rd log rule. It says that I'm taking the log of a difference. So that's the same as taking the log. I'm taking the difference of logs, so that's the same as taking the log of the quotient. 60 divided by 15. But 60 divided by 15 is just 4. So what I need to do is figure out what is the log base 2 of 4. 2 to what power is equal to 4? That answer is 2. This answer is 2. Alright, last problem. Log base 10 of this mess. Okay. Maybe I'll just write log. You don't have to specify. If you don't specify the base, it's assumed that it's 10. And what do I got? 10 billion here. A 1 with 10 zeros after it. That'll be important. Raised up to the 1,000 power. Psh. Psh. Alright, what I can do here is, well, I have an exponent, so I could use this 3rd rule. But note that it's just the thing that I am taking this log of that's raised up to an exponent. So this exponent just goes in front of this log. So it's the log of 1,000 times log of 10 billion. Hop up here maybe. Okay, now we're asking for the log of a product. I could figure out the log of a product using this first log rule. It's just the sum of the logs. So log of the first thing, log of 1,000. And then to that I want to add the log of the second thing, which is the log of 10 billion. Barely squeeze that in. Okay, good news is we can figure these out. Log of 1,000 is 3. Why is that 3? Well, because this is base 10, and 10 to the third power is equal to 1,000. Plus log of, let's see, the log of 10 billion. 10 to the 10th power will get me a number with 10 zeros. So this is log of 10. So careful, this log goes here, and log of what I'm taking this log of 10 billion, that's equal to 10. But the log of 10 is just 1. So I get 3 plus 1 is 4 is my answer. So this mess equal to 4. This mess equal to 2. That is the end of the quiz.